Hey guys, paalis na nga pala kami at pupunta kami sa Trondheim City. Pupuntahan namin yung Trondheim Food Park or Food Festival yan. Pupunta na kami sa bus. Lakad na kami.
Ano kailangan pa?
Pakita mo yung ticket mo.
Hindi, yung ticket mo na lang, sabi mo, vlogger ka. Hindi, papapasokan na tayo. Doon tayo sa dulo, napusumuka ako.
Hey, 3 person.
Ready?
Saan tayo? Dulo? Nga lang. Susuka dito.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime.
Mag-iikot-ikot kami sa Trondheim Food Park na festival nila ngayon. Titingnan namin kung ano yung kung may makakain ba kaming okay. Ikot-ikot muna kami.
Read my eyes, do I want to stay? If you thought you weren't made that way, it's the choices we make. We give and take, and I know you will keep trying. Said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. And you gave me that smile. We stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. All this time I didn't know I had my heart on standby. That it is love that I am feeling inside. What it means to be a human. All this time I've been a fool for not seeing you shine. I let my circus money say you'll be mine. You are the only one who without emotions made of steel. What was I supposed to feel? I didn't want to take chances. Past romances were telling me I'd just crash again. I said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. You gave me that smile. I stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. All this time I didn't know I had my heart on standby. That it is love that I am feeling inside. What it means to be a human. All this time I've been
And umorder ako dito sa may chicken and antay
Pangit
muna.
chicken.
Pangit chicken.
Pangit chicken?
Yeah.
Ako mapanis eh.
And guys, ang in-order natin is yung chicken. Chicken with fries, may barbecue sauce. Then yung churros, and then yung lemonade. Kain! Sila doon dito, ito pa si Nakintin.
Nakalimutan ko
palakad.
mag-sunscreen. Kailangan ko brown today.
Ako din eh.
I forgot to have sunscreen.
Ito naman talaga yung kulay natin eh. Babawi na lang tayo sa winter, di ba? Magpapaputi tayo sa winter.
Beer without touching your lips.
Paano yun?
Parang hindi mo, tatraman mo yung beer pero hindi mo kakabit yung lips.
Hindi ko kaya.
Kasi tanungin mo lang. Beer. Hindi naman tumatouch yung lips.
Ice.
Eh?
Ano ba?
Try mo tanungin ice without touching your teeth.
Ice? Ay.
Oh, ay. Ay. Cellphone mo yan?
Oo, cellphone.
Bakit mo hindi pong cellphone? Pogi, naginom na.
Parang nasa Pinas lang.
Ano yan?
Sarap. Sige nga. Sip. Take a sip. Ikaw. Sarap? Hindi.
Sarap. Sarap.
Bye-bye. Love you. Doon na sa labas.
Tomorrow.
Tingnan ko kung makakabike ako. Kung hindi kayo aalis. Una na ako. Bye-bye. Pre,
Ingat ka.
saan ba yung labasan? Doon?
Doon, sa kaliwa.
Ayan, bago umuwi, dumaan muna namin sa mga Asian store. Ayan, may mga 30 minutes pa na mga aming natitira bago dumating yung bat ko. Puso pala.
Okay na ba? Tutang mo kayo. O yung berde. Maganda pula yun. Sana maital. Lang? Kana?
391.
391.
Oh, may papa ng ano.
So, 130. 130.
Sa 39, sa 130, masaya na ako. May paa ng manok.
May bagoong pa.
Bagoong pa.
The hidden trail in the back of the old barn, past the Ivory Hill. I remember it just like a photograph, but they say it's haunted now. A million stories written inside the heart, like the curtains moving without wind.
Hey, 3 person.
Next week ka?
Yeah, next week.
Ay.
Maiiwan ka pa.
Hindi ba iwan? Hanapin natin. Diba sabi ko eh. Sa dulo. Ano sabi?
Hindi. Nagtawag na dito eh.
Ano sabi?
Perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. But some part of me is hoping for tonight. It's not too late. My
Kauwi na kami. Hey guys, nakauwi na nga pala ako at dito na lang pala ako mag-outro sa bahay, sa kwarto. Yan, overall, all in all, sobrang saya, sobrang sulit ng gala namin sa Trondheim City kanina kasi masabi ko mahaba eh. Maaga pa lang, di ba? Umalis na kami, tapos umuwi kami hapon na. Hindi tulad nung mga nakaraan, saglit lang kami doon, ilang oras. Tapos yung unang punta namin, nag-asikaso lang ng papeles. Tapos, ayan na, may hinahabol naman na biyahe, pero di ba yun nga hapon, kaya sulit na sulit. Tapos, first time din namin mag-commute ng kami lang, ng di kami inaalalayan ng mga mas nauna na dito. So, ayan, di ba? Kayang-kaya na namin mag-commute ng bus, ng ferry. Kaya sa mga susunod siguro mapapadalas na yung mga gala, I don't know. Tapos, ayun, di pumunta kami doon kanina, pumunta kami sa Trondheim City, tapos kumain, tapos namili ng konti. Ayun nga, nakita ko na sila doon, sa yung pamilya niya, nandun din. Kaya, ayan, sobrang pagod, nakakapagod eh. Ang haba ng araw eh. Pero sulit, kaya gusto ko na lang dito tapusin yung vlog. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Paalam.